Next session number 60, calculus of variations. In that geodesics, topic is geodesics for third semester B students 18 MAT 31. So question number 2, find geodesics on a surface given that the arc length on the surface is S is equals to integration x1 to x2 under the square root of x into 1 plus y dash square dx. So we have f is equal to x into 1 plus, that is 1 plus y dash square, that is f of x y dash is equals to square root of x into 1 plus y dash square. So which is independent of y. Therefore next Euler's equation, dou f by dou y minus d by dx of dou f by dou y dash is equals to 0 reduces to, it is dou by dou y of f. So y variable, y, no y variable, that means this term is 0. So it is 0 here, 0 minus d by dx of dou f by dou y dash. Now differentiate partial differentiation with respect to y dash. Y dash term is there, so it is, so before that 0 minus d by dx of dou f by dou y dash is equals to 0, or dou f by dou y dash is equals to constant is equal to c. That means we have to integrate this term. So I can write here integrate. So integration of d by dx means, so this term to get dou f by dou y dash. Integration of d by dx is, so dou f by dou y dash is equals to, now integration of this side, it is constant again, it is c. So integration of d by dx of dou f by dou y dash is equals to dou f by dou y dash, and changing the minus sign, multiplied by both the sides minus sign, so it becomes plus dou f by dou y dash is equals to constant is c. That is, now dou f by dou y dash, dou f by dou y dash, dou f by dou y dash is equals to, it is root x, na? So total root x, it is 1 by 2 root 1 plus y dash square. Next differentiation of this d by dx of x, it is x into y dash square is 2 y dash. So equation is equals to c, constant. So it is 1 upon 2 root x into d by dx of x, it is x into 2 y dash is equals to constant, or here x is there, here x is there, so we can 2 root x into square root of 1 plus y dash square, and here also x 2y dash, you see there. So here 2 get cancels, x is also there, so multiplied by root x divided by root x, so it becomes root x into root x is, it becomes x. So x gets answer, root x remains here, root x y dash. So it is root x y dash divided by 1 plus square root of 1 plus y dash square is equals to c. Next, here squaring both sides. Next, squaring both sides, what happens? Root x the whole square is x, y dash square is y dash into whole square, y dash square is equals to, here it is c square, and under square root of 1 plus y dash square is only 1 plus y dash square, cross multiplication, it is c square into 1 plus y dash square. This implies x y dash square is equals to c square into 1 c square plus c square into y dash square, c square into y dash square, or y dash square is equals to, now it is y dash square. So here y dash square x, here also y dash square is this side I taken, it will be c square, x minus c square, it is c square. So y dash square into x minus c square is equals to c square. Therefore y dash, so y square y dash square y dash is equal to, so under the square root like this it is, so y dash is equals to, so I will write first y dash square is equal to c square upon x minus c square, correct? Y dash square is equals to c square upon x minus c. Now y dash is equals to under square root of c square upon x minus c square. So y dash is equals to, so y dash is equals to this term, y dash square is equal to c square upon x minus c the whole square, y dash is equal to under square root c square upon x minus a square. So square root of c square is c and divided by square root of x minus c square. So y dash becomes c upon x minus c square. Now integrate, next integrate, so integration of, so y dash in this one with respect to x, so integration of y dash is nothing but y, so integration of c is constant and integration of x minus c square is integration of 1 upon root x is first root x, that means x minus c square and into this constant 2, the plus c1. So y dash dx, integration of c dx is equals to integration of y dash is y and c is constant taken outside, integration of 1 upon root x is root x means x minus c square into 2 plus c1. So integration of root x, integration of 1 upon root x is equals to root x into 2. If it is cross checking, dy by dx of 2 root x is equals to 2 constant, integration of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, 2 get cancels, we are going to get this 1 upon root x. So because why we got here 2, so it is 2c, c is already there, constant 2c into square root of x minus c square and c1 I have taken this side, y minus c1. Now squaring both sides, y minus c1 the whole square, 2c the whole square is 4c square, under square root of x minus c square means x minus c square only, is the geodesics which is a parabola. So what they ask, find the geodesics on a plane surface given that the arc length on the surface is this much, x is x1, integration x1 to x2 and the square root of x into 1 plus y dash square dx. So very simple problem, so we have to solve like this. So this is the final answer, y minus c1 the whole square is equals to 4c square and x minus c square is the geodesics. You may write like this, which is a parabola, otherwise you stop here only, no problem. Thank you.